All right. So today we're going to deep dive into something that's, I think, really, really relevant to a lot of people out there.
Mm-hmm.
And it's personal injury law
Yes.
and the impact of SEO.
Yeah.
And I think it's something that a lot of folks don't think about until they actually need a lawyer.
Right.
You're not usually walking around being like, oh, I need a personal injury lawyer until you're in that situation.
Yep. You get in that accident and then
Yeah.
you're like, okay, I need to find somebody and I need to find them now.
Yeah, it was the first thing people do.
Google.
They go to Google.
Absolutely.
They're on their phone. They're searching car accident lawyer near me. They're searching
Yeah, slip and fall.
like all of these things
Mm-hmm.
that they suddenly need.
Yeah.
And that's where Inoriseo comes in.
Yes.
We help those personal injury lawyers show up in
Yeah.
those crucial moments. But it's not just about being at the top of Google. It's about connecting with the right people at the right time.
Absolutely. And, one of the things that we think about is making sure that you're connecting with your ideal client.
Yes.
And so somebody who is searching how to prove negligence after a slip and fall
Right.
is going to be much more ready to hire an attorney
Yes.
than somebody who's just kind of reading news articles
That's right.
about, accident statistics or whatever it might be.
That's such a good point. And our team really dives deep into that keyword research
Yeah.
and figuring out what are those high intent phrases
Right.
that are really signaling
Absolutely.
someone is ready for that legal help.
Totally.
So it's really about building that bridge
Yeah.
between the person who needs the expertise
Exactly.
and the lawyer who can provide it.
Connecting the dots.
Connecting the dots, yes.
Yeah, and I think that, it's also about having a comprehensive SEO strategy in place.
Right.
It's not just about one thing. We're talking about high-quality content that answers common questions.
Yeah.
We're talking about strong local SEO.
Yes.
So showing up in those near-me searches.
Yeah.
And then we're also talking about, making sure that your website is easy to navigate
Yes.
on a phone.
Especially
Because remember, these people are often
in distress.
in distress, exactly.
And they're searching.
They're not in a good headspace.
Okay.
And they're not going to be patient
Right.
if they can't find what they need quickly.
That's so true. And you hit on something that I think is so important and it's often overlooked, which is the technical SEO side. You can have the best content in the world,
Right.
but if your website is slow, it's confusing.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
If they can't access it.
It makes a bad first impression,
Yeah.
right? It's like having a messy office.
Yes.
People aren't going to want to stick around.
No, they'll bounce right out.
They bounce right out.
Yeah.
So we really make sure
Absolutely.
that the website loads fast, that it works on any device,
Yep.
and that it guides visitors to the information they need,
Yeah. And Google actually takes into account user experience.
right?
So if people are bouncing off your site,
Yes.
Google's going to know.
Absolutely.
They can see those signals.
So it's a win-win
Yeah,
to have a good user experience
for sure.
because it's good for the client. It's good for the business.
Exactly.
And Google likes it.
And Google likes it.
But let's talk a little bit about the content side because, we have this amazing team of legal copywriters at Inoriseo
Yes, we do.
who really understand personal injury law.
They know their stuff.
They know their stuff. And they can craft blog posts, articles, even downloadable guides that address very specific concerns that people have.
Right.
So, for example, someone might be searching, can I sue for emotional distress after a car accident?
Right.
That's a very specific question.
Yeah.
And if a law firm's website has an in-depth article answering that,
Yeah.
guess who becomes the trusted expert
Exactly.
in that client's eyes?
Right. And Google sees that.
Yes.
They see how long people are staying on the page, whether they're clicking through to other pages,
Yeah.
maybe even sharing the article.
Right.
These are all signals that tell Google
Yes.
this website is valuable.
This is what people are looking for.
Yeah,
This is relevant to the search query.
absolutely.
So again, it's another win-win.
Yeah,
The potential client gets the information they need.
right.
The law firm establishes itself as a thought leader,
Yeah,
and they're climbing the search rankings
exactly.
all at the same time.
For sure.
But it goes beyond just the content, right?
Absolutely.
It's not just about writing a good blog post.
Yeah, we have to think about things like local SEO,
Yes,
which is crucial for personal injury lawyers.
especially personal injury lawyers.
So we're talking about things like, optimizing their Google My Business profile, getting them listed in legal directories.
Yes.
and even managing online reviews.
Oh, the review.
Because let's be honest.
Yes.
People check those before they pick up the phone.
All the time.
All the time.
Yeah, and that reputation management is huge because a few bad reviews can really scare away potential clients.
Absolutely.
Even if the firm is excellent.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
People are going to see those negative reviews and
they're going to move on.
They're going to move on.
So we help manage that.
Yeah.
We encourage happy clients to leave feedback, and we address negative reviews professionally.
Absolutely.
So it's all connected, right?
Yes.
You have a strong website. You have great content.
Yeah.
You have positive reviews.
Right.
This all builds that powerful online presence
Yeah.
that attracts clients and generates leads.
Exactly.
And speaking of leads, we haven't even gotten to the technical side of link building yet.
Oh, yeah.
Which is a whole other
beast.
Yes. But the basic idea is getting other reputable websites to link back to the law firm site.
Yep.
It's like getting endorsements, which Google values a lot.
Absolutely.
So think about it like this.
Yeah.
A link from a local news site covering a successful case that the firm handled, or a citation in a legal journal article.
Yeah.
These are like gold.
They're gold.
For SEO. Because they're telling Google, this law firm is recognized.
Yeah.
They're trusted.
They're the real deal.
They're the real deal in the legal community.
For sure.
And those links don't just happen by accident.
Right. No.
Our team has a whole process for building those relationships and earning those valuable backlinks.
Absolutely.
But I think before we dive deeper into link building, it would be really helpful to kind of paint a picture of what success actually looks like.
I love that idea.
For our clients.
Let's talk real world results.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's get into it.
Yeah. So let's talk about a personal injury firm we worked with in Chicago.
Okay.
And they specialized in bicycle accident cases.
Oh, interesting.
Which is, kind of a niche area, but a lot of potential clients.
Right. Especially in Chicago.
Given the city's bike-friendly culture.
Yeah, totally makes sense.
So, how did we approach their SEO strategy?
Yeah, I'm curious, given that specialization.
Right. Well, we really started with that hyperlocal SEO.
Okay.
Making sure that their Google My Business profile was just like meticulously optimized, highlighting their bike accident expertise.
Yeah.
We also got them listed in all these relevant like cycling communities.
Oh, that's smart.
Online directories.
Yeah. Targeting those niche communities.
Yeah,
their ideal clients are already hanging out.
They're already there.
Yeah, exactly.
So why not meet them where they are?
Absolutely. Well, so that's the local SEO side.
Yeah.
What about the content?
Yeah.
I'm guessing like you're not writing about generic car accident stuff.
Oh, no.
For a firm like this.
We were creating content specifically about bicycle accidents in Chicago.
Oh, wow.
So we had blog posts about city bike laws, safe cycling routes.
Wow.
Even guides on what to do if you're hit by a car while cycling.
That is so laser focused.
It was.
Super niche.
Did it work?
Oh, yeah.
Like what kind of results?
Well, I mean, their website traffic skyrocketed.
Okay.
Especially from local searches.
Yeah.
But more importantly, their phone started ringing off the hook.
That's what you want.
With calls from potential clients who had been in bike accidents.
Yes. Those high-quality leads that convert into cases.
That's the goal.
That's the goal. Do you have any other examples where you've seen SEO make that kind of difference?
Yeah, let's talk about a firm in Miami.
That specialized in medical malpractice cases.
Okay.
And they were really struggling to compete with these like larger, more established firms.
Yeah, medical malpractice is tough.
Super competitive.
Very competitive.
Yeah. So, we knew we had to establish them as thought leaders in the field.
Yeah. How did you do that?
So we focused on creating in-depth, authoritative content.
Okay.
We actually collaborated with their attorneys to write these comprehensive articles on, various types of medical negligence, legal precedents, even patient rights.
So you're really showcasing their expertise, building that trust with potential clients before they...
Yeah, they're reading this content, they're becoming informed, and they're like, oh, these people know what they're talking about.
Exactly. What about link building for a firm like that?
Oh, yeah. We definitely focused on link building as well.
Okay.
We secured backlinks from, reputable medical journals.
Oh, wow.
The legal publications, even patient advocacy groups.
So you're really like borrowing authority
Exactly.
from these established sources.
Yep. Using those trusted sources.
Yeah, very smart. Did it work?
Oh, yeah.
Like what happened?
They saw a significant increase in website traffic.
Okay.
Again, particularly from organic search.
Yeah.
But, it's even more important.
What's that?
They started getting inquiries from clients who had specifically read those articles.
Oh, wow.
And were impressed by their knowledge and expertise.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's like the perfect example
Right.
of content marketing and SEO
Content marketing
working together.
and SEO working hand in hand.
Yes. It's not just about getting people to the website.
Right.
It's about getting the right people to the website.
The people who are ready to take that next step.
Exactly. And I think it's also important to remember that, it's not just about showcasing expertise.
Right.
It's also about telling a story. Right. Like, who are these lawyers? What drives them?
What's their why?
Yeah, what's their why? Why are they fighting for these clients?
Yeah, people want to connect with that.
Especially in personal injury.
Especially in personal injury.
Where it's such a,
sensitive
area.
Yeah.
People are going through a lot.
They need to know that they're hiring somebody
who understands.
Who cares? Who's going to fight for them?
Absolutely. And you can use SEO to kind of convey that empathy.
Absolutely.
Right, and build that connection.
Yeah, have you done that before?
Yeah, we actually worked with a personal injury firm in Los Angeles.
Okay.
And we created a series of videos.
Oh, cool.
Featuring the attorneys, talking about, their passion for helping accident victims.
That's awesome.
We embedded these videos on their website, blog posts, social media.
Love it.
And people loved them.
Really?
Thousands of views.
Wow.
And we saw this noticeable increase in contact form submissions.
It's great.
From people who mentioned the videos.
Wow. So they were moved by...
They were moved.
The attorney stories.
By the stories. And they felt like, okay, these are the people I want to work with. They're not a faceless firm.
Yeah, and they're not a corporation.
Yeah, exactly. And I think that's so powerful.
It is.
Because it shows that SEO can be so much more.
More than just
the technical stuff.
To words and links.
It's about connecting with people on an emotional level.
Humanizing
the firm, and building that trust.
Absolutely.
That rapport.
It's all about relationships.
It is all about relationships. And these case studies are just so amazing.
Yeah.
Because they show, like, when SEO is done right, it's a game changer.
It can totally transform a firm.
For these personal injury firms.
For sure.
So we've talked a lot about how impactful SEO can be, but I don't want us to forget about the technical side of things.
Right.
We talked about link building briefly earlier.
We did.
But I think it deserves
a deeper dive.
For
sure.
So let's kind of break down how Inoriseo approaches link building. Specifically for personal injury firms.
Right. Let's do it.
What makes our approach unique?
Yeah. So link building, it's something that a lot of people kind of get wrong.
Yeah.
Especially, I think, in the legal field where reputation
is important.
Everything. Yeah. You can't just go around like buying links or spamming forums. No. That'll get you penalized by Google.
Yeah. You don't want that.
No. So we take a much more strategic approach with our personal injury clients.
And what does that look like? Like, what are some of the things that you're actually doing?
Yeah. Well, one of our core strategies is content marketing.
Okay.
We create really high-quality, informative content that other websites in the legal space would find valuable and would want to link to.
Okay, so you're making your clients kind of like...
Thought leaders,
yeah.
In the industry.
And the links are coming because...
Organically.
Because the content's so good.
Exactly, because it's valuable.
Yeah.
We also focus on building relationships with legal bloggers, journalists... industry influencers.
Okay.
We'll connect them with our clients for interviews, expert quotes, guest blogging opportunities.
So it's all about that networking?
Yeah, building a network.
Yeah, within the legal community.
Absolutely.
What about directories and legal publications?
Oh, yeah, those are important too.
Okay.
We make sure that our clients are listed in all the relevant legal directories, bar association websites, even like niche publications that cater to, specific areas of personal injury law.
So you're really covering all those bases.
Yeah, we want to make sure that they're visible everywhere that a potential client might be looking.
Exactly. And it's not just about how many links you have.
Right. No quality over quantity.
Quality over quantity.
Always.
Because a link from a spammy website.
Yeah, that can actually hurt you.
It can hurt you.
So we focus on earning links from authoritative sources that are relevant to the client's practice areas.
So it's like you're curating a portfolio of high-quality links.
That's a portfolio of backlinks.
And that shows Google, like, this firm is
legitimate.
They're trustworthy. They're authoritative.
They're the real deal.
Yeah, they're the real deal. But link building can be a lot of work.
It is.
It can be really time-consuming. It's complex.
Yeah.
How do you manage that for all of your clients?
Well, we have a dedicated team of link building experts.
Okay.
And they are constantly researching, analyzing, reaching out to potential linked partners.
Yeah.
And we also use, specialized tools to track our progress, measure the impact of our efforts, and identify new opportunities as they come up.
So it's a combination of the human expertise and then the data.
Exactly. Data-driven.
Yeah. That makes sense.
Yeah.
So we've talked about content marketing, the relationship building, the directories. Is there anything else that you do?
We also really encourage our clients to get involved in their local communities.
Oh, okay.
Sponsoring charity events, participating in legal aid programs, even giving guest lectures at law schools.
Wow. So it's not just online.
No, it's about real-world impact.
Yeah.
And those activities can actually lead to backlinks.
Right, from local news sites, community organizations, even those universities.
Exactly.
So it's like aligning your SEO with your values.
Yeah.
I love that.
And it shows Google that you're not just trying to manipulate the algorithm.
Right.
You're actually out there doing good things.
You're real business.
Yeah.
You're a part of the community.
Exactly. And I think that resonates with potential clients, too. Absolutely. They want to work with a firm that they feel good about.
That shares their values.
Exactly.
Yeah. This has been so fascinating.
Yeah, it's been fun.
To really dive deep.
Talking link building.
Into link building.
Yeah.
For personal injury law firms. And I think, it's clear that Inoriseo takes this approach that's so comprehensive.
It's strategic.
It's ethical.
And it works.
And it works.
Sure.
And it gets those backlinks.
It does.
It leads to
higher rankings, more traffic, more clients.
That's what it's all about.
It's all connected.
It really is. It all comes back to that.
Yeah. From keyword research to content marketing.
To technical SEO, to link building.
It's all part of the bigger picture.
Yeah. And ultimately,
it's about helping people.
It's about helping people.
Who need legal help.
Find the lawyers who can help them.
Exactly. Connecting those dots.
Connecting those dots. And I think that's something that we're both really passionate about.
Absolutely.
So to our listeners out there.
Yes.
If you're a personal injury lawyer and you're looking to really take your online presence to that next level, remember, Inoriseo is here.
We're here to help.
We're here to help.
Yeah.
We will guide you through all of this.
All the complexities of SEO.
Build that powerful online presence.
Yeah.
Connect you with those clients who need you.
Exactly.
So until next time, keep fighting the good fight. And remember, visibility is key.
Visibility is key. We'll be here exploring the world of SEO
and sharing all those insights.
And all those insights.
To help you thrive.
Thrive in the digital age.
In the digital age.